Adelong gold-antimony strategy update, imminent drilling at the Lauriston project and the Apollo drilling assays. Adelong Gold has announced a major strategic partnership with Nova Minerals, an alliance set to fast-track Adelong's growth and open new opportunities in antimony. Nova invested $1 million alongside receiving first right of refusal to future antimony offtakes and the opportunity to introduce a North American antimony project. Strengthening the partnership further, Nova Minerals Executive Chairman Louis Siemens has been appointed to the Adelong Gold Board, while Nova's CEO Christopher Gertisen will shortly join as technical advisor. This collaboration combines Nova's critical minerals expertise with Adelong's strong project portfolio across New South Wales and Victoria, positioning both companies to capture significant value in the growing antimony market and buoyant gold environment. Nova Minerals has been awarded $43.4 million in Defense Production Act, Title III funding by the US Department of War to fast-track a fully domestic supply chain for military-grade antimony trisulfide at its Estelle project in Alaska. That elevated status in the US defense ecosystem directly complements Nova's strategic partnership with Adelong Gold, which includes the ability to introduce a North American antimony project, positioning Nova to help Adelong identify, secure, and progress such an opportunity. Deep in the heart of Victoria's renowned Bendigo zone lies Adelong Gold's Lauriston Gold Project, a commanding 28,700 hectare landholding adjoining one of the world's most productive gold operations, Agnico Eagle's Fosterville mine. Within the Lauriston licenses sits the high-grade Comet discovery, already returning spectacular intercepts like 8 meters at 104 grams per tonne gold, including 2 meters at an incredible 413 grams. Other holes show 9 meters at 11.6 grams and 5.9 meters at 15 grams, confirming a system rich in grade and scale. The Comet mineralization sits within the Comet anticline and associated Comet fault zone, a geological structure remarkably similar to the Fosterville fault that hosts the famous Swan Zone. Both share the same host rocks and epizonal gold antimony style of mineralization. This is the same geological model that has delivered some of the highest grade gold mines in the world, and Lauriston now stands as one of the very few projects left in the district with this kind of untested potential. Soil geochemistry and surface mapping have outlined a 4.5 kilometre corridor of continuous gold antimony anomalism linking the Comet and Trojan prospects. Drill core has confirmed stibnite veining alongside visible gold, supporting the epizonal gold-antimony model. Adelong will commence a 3,000 metre drill program this October, aiming to extend high-grade zones at Comet and test new targets along the Trojan trend. For Adelong Gold, Lauriston represents far more than another exploration licence. It's a project sitting on the right rocks, in the right structural corridor, with proven high grades and potential district scale. Adelong Gold's Apollo project sits within Victoria's Walhalla Gold Belt, part of the highly prospective Melbourne Zone, a district known for hosting deep-seated, high-grade gold systems. Historic drilling here produced remarkable intersections: 39.5 metres at 7.25 grams per tonne gold, including 10.6 metres at 17.1 grams, 28 metres at 10.2 grams, and an outstanding 27.6 metres at 6.7 grams per tonne, alongside broader zones like 55.1 metres at 3.06 grams. These results confirm a system capable of hosting both high-grade chutes and bulk tonnage zones within the same structural corridor. Adelong's own recent 4-hole program, totalling just over 1,000 metres, returned similarly strong results. 10.9 metres at 3.26 grams per tonne, including 6 metres at 5.36 grams, 27 metres at 1.69 grams, and 13 metres at 1.61 grams, including 3 metres at 5.26 grams. For such a small, targeted program, those numbers are highly significant. They're vectoring results, narrowing in on feeder structures that could deliver thicker and richer zones as drilling continues in the future. The project also shows clear gold-antimony association, especially at Hayfield Reef, where assays of 3 metres at 5.2 grams per tonne, gold, and 3.4% antimony highlight a classic epizonal OR-SB system, similar to regional standouts like Fosterville and Sunday Creek. With stacked mineralised zones, open extensions, and both high-grade and critical mineral upside, Apollo is shaping as one of Victoria's most compelling underexplored gold systems.